So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Uber Driver app on your iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now here, tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. Now make sure you're signed in to your Apple account on your iPhone, as you will need it to install apps from the App Store. Now once you sign in to your Apple account, tap on Done. Now after this, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and here search for Uber Driver. Now this is the Uber Driver app. To download and install it, tap on Get. Now tap on Install and enter the password for Apple account to continue. Tap on Sign In and now this will download and install the app. Once the app is installed, tap on Open and now this will launch the app. Now you can sign in to this app and start using it. So this is how you can install Uber Driver app on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.